Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So one of the biggest trends that we are seeing right now is the undercolor trend. This trend is also known as the peekaboo color trend, and it involves pretty much dyeing one small portion of your hair, usually the back portion of your hair. This is a great option if you want to keep business at the top, leaving the rest of your hair its natural color, and then mixing in a little bit of fun in the back portion of the hair. Now what's great about this trend is that you can do the section of color as large or as little as you like. It's a great way to dye your hair and join in on the bold color trend without dyeing your entire head. We're seeing many different variations of this with split dye as well as rainbow coloring. It's all about having fun and not being afraid to step it up and step into the world of color. So I hope that today's video does inspire you. If you are thinking about trying out this trend, let me know what color variations you would want to rock. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will of course see you in the next one.